To begin, make a magic ring, and this is how I make a magic ring. I hold here, take my crochet hook, pick this yarn, take off one finger, hold here to take the other finger off, chain one and fasten, and that is how I make this magic ring. Chain one. After chaining one, make 12 half double crochets in the magic ring. One half double crochet, two half double crochets, three half double crochets. Continue until you make 12 half double crochets. After making 12 half double crochets, pull this yarn to close the magic ring. Then slip stitch in the first half double crochet to close the round and cut. I will attach my yarn. Chain 2. Chain 2 is counted as half double crochet. Make another half double crochet in the same stitch to make them 2. Go to the next stitch, make 2 half double crochets, 1 and 2 half double crochets. Then continue making 2 half double crochets into every stitch until the end. When you get at the end, slip stitch into the first half double crochet to close the round. To begin the next round, chain 2, 1, 2, skip 1 stitch, slip stitch in the next stitch. Again you chain 2, skip 1 stitch, slip stitch in the next stitch, chain 2, skip 1 stitch, slip stitch in the next stitch. Repeat that until you have 6 chain spaces. After making the 6 chain spaces, to begin the next round, you chain 1 and turn. In the 6 chain spaces, in each chain space, you make a slip stitch, 3 half double crochets in the same chain space, 1 half double crochet, 2 half double crochets, 3 half double crochets, then slip stitch in the same chain space. You go to the next chain space and repeat the same. You make a slip stitch, 3 half double crochets in the same chain space, 1, 2, and 3, then slip stitch in the same chain space. Repeat that until you finish the 6 chain spaces. I have worked on all the 6 chain spaces. Now I have 6 groups, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. To begin the next round, you chain 1 and turn. Now we are going to work on these stitches that we were skipping. Slip stitch into this stitch. Then now we make chain spaces. We are going to make 5 chain spaces across. You chain 2, slip stitch in the next stitch. I have made 1 chain space, chain 2, slip stitch in the next stitch. I have made 2 chain spaces, chain 2, slip stitch in the next. I have made 3 chain spaces, chain 2, slip stitch in the next stitch. I have made 4 chain spaces, chain 2, slip stitch in the next stitch. I have made 5 chain spaces. To begin the next round, you chain 1 and turn. After turning, repeat the same way we did this. In each chain space, you make a slip stitch, 3 half double crochets, 1, 2, 3, then slip stitch in the same chain space. You move to the next one, the same way we made these ones. Now we are going to make 5 groups. At the end, you should be having 5 groups. To begin the next round, you should chain 1 and turn. Slip stitch into this half double crochet. Chain 2, 1, 2, skip 1 half double crochet, slip stitch into the next half double crochet. I have made 1 chain space, again chain 2, skip 1 half double crochet, slip stitch into the next half double crochet. I have made 2 chain spaces, again chain 2, skip 1 half double crochet, slip stitch into the next. I have made 3 chain spaces, chain 2, skip 1 half double crochet, slip stitch into the next. I have made 4 chain spaces. To begin the next round, chain 1 and turn. After turning, in all the 4 chain spaces, you repeat the same way we did these ones. You make a slip stitch, 3 half double crochets, and a slip stitch in the same chain space. You do that 4 times in the 4 chain spaces. At the end, you should be having 4 groups. Then chain 1 and cut. Then skip 1 stitch, attach your yarn in the next stitch. Chain 3, 1, 2, 3, make a double crochet in the same stitch. In the next 2 stitches, make 1 double crochet into each one of them. 1 double crochet, go to the next stitch, make 1 double crochet. In the next 3 stitches, make 1 half double crochet into each one of them. 1 half double crochet, go to the next stitch, 1 half double crochet, go to the next stitch, 1 half double crochet. In the next 2 stitches, make 1 single crochet into each one of them. 1 single crochet, go to the next stitch, 1 single crochet, chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. After chaining 5, skip 1 chain space, slip stitch in the next. Then the remaining 3 chains, make 1 single crochet into each one of them. 1 single crochet, go to the next. 1 single crochet, go to the last one. 1 single crochet, then slip stitch in the next stitch. Chain 1 and cut. Then I will attach my yarn here. Chain 1, then make 3 single crochets. 1, 2, and 3. Chain 1 and cut. Then tie these 2 pieces together and trim the excess. To make this nose, You chain 2, skip the first chain, make 1 single crochet and cut. Take these 2 loose ends to the other side through this magic ring. To make these eyes, chain 2, 1, 2, skip 1 chain, slip stitch into the last chain, take this to the other side, tie these 2 loose ends, then trim the excess. That marks the end of this tutorial. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please like my video, then I will see you in the next tutorial.